Today at Beth's Best Hair, I'm doing an unboxing of Mariah. I'm sorry to say that I lost the beginning footage, but she is a basic cap with open weft construction.
Oh, oh. Well, she's kind of fun. What do you guys think? It doesn't feel real carpety up here. Oh my gosh, I kind of like those curls. It's kind of like the Mariah Carey. I used to get those perms all the time in the 90s because I wanted to look like Mariah Carey, of course. I do not have to trim these bangs, which is nice. I like bangs, but she's going to need some work. I think she's going to be fun. All right, you stay with me and we're going to just mess her up and get working with her, okay?
So you know the drill. I'm going to spritz her really well with water and mess her all up. I sometimes will switch the part. In this case I am, as I prefer a left part. And I'm trying to comb her into place. I did notice with the Mariah, because the bangs are so thin, that the top wefting does sometimes get exposed. So I may trim a bang in her a little bit more just to cover up that weft. And I wanted you guys to be aware of that. So we'll do the dry shampoo, that is the beautiful brunette. And then I will also add the L'Oreal light brown root spray as well. And remember, when I do the root spray, I don't just spray in the part. I am spraying, taking sections and spraying all over.
Obviously, I'm going to keep her, but I'm thinking that I might trim just a little bit here because that's a pretty sparse bang. I mean, that's how like my bio hair used to look. So, yeah. But I do like it, and I like her curls. I don't know that I could get away with wearing her to work because it looks like I got a perm, right? I mean, who can curl their hair like that? And she is not heat friendly. She is a non-heat friendly synthetic. So, which is fine with me. Actually, I think the fibers last a little bit longer when they're not the Versafiber. The Versafiber ones can get pretty crunchy pretty fast. I am trying to find my mirror. I want to do a 360 and see what we think. Oh, I do like the curls. They are pretty. And I like the length. That's really cute. So it's just sort of that inverted where it's a little bit longer in the front. What do you guys think? You tell me if you would wear her to work. They totally... I'm just going to have to come clean, aren't I? I'm just going to have to be like, oh, guess what? I decided to start wearing wigs because I'm bald. But I love my coworkers. They're super, everybody is wonderful. It's just a really great place to work, and so I think that they would all just be super supportive, and I should just come clean. She is cute. I love the color. It's kind of like they do the blonde up top, and then it's a little darker underneath on the bottom. So this is the SF1228 Honey. You know it's my go-to color. You know, she is actually really cute. I don't know, maybe I won't trim the bangs. You guys give me your opinion. Tell me if I should trim the bangs or not. Alright, let's try a couple styles, okay? If you want to stay with me, that is. Alright, so what can we do with her? I think, first of all, I'm going to start doing a little twisty. Oh yeah. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Alright, so another cute style that we could do with Mariah would be hairbands. So what I kind of do is just take a little bit out and then kind of go by your ear and kind of pull it over. So actually, yeah, that's really cute. I like the headband. Then I feel like I could almost wear it to work. Honestly, when I had my John Renault topper, this is what I did. And so with the topper, because I didn't have much bio, I would actually pull some of the topper hair out from underneath the headband, but I would make sure that the headband was covering where the topper started. So that's kind of fun. I also have some other thin headbands. I've seen those square headbands, but I haven't ordered them yet. They're like $15 a headband, so I'm waiting for a coupon. But I have these thin ones, and they came in like, I don't know, a pack of 5 or something from the Dollar Tree. And these are kind of nice because they're actually really loose. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes you get like, I get like headache from a headband. So, you know, think outside the box. You can wear more than one. So let's do 3 of them. You know, depending upon the outfit that you're wearing, obviously. I'm wearing black, so purple and white and pink don't work, but see? So that's cute. I like her with the headband. And then also we could do just putting some of it back. Sorry, I'm looking away, my mirror's over here. I like this little curl here. That's cute. So we'll leave a little bit out and just kind of do like a messy bun. Claw clip. And then again, when you clip it in, kind of dig it in, make sure that it's got a weft. Yeah, actually, I think she's going to be really fun. I'm excited to wear her out when life opens up again and we can go to restaurants and different fun things. Yeah, she'll be fun. I'm not sure if I'll wear her to work. I'm going to be honest with you guys, because like I said, I'm a little bit nervous about that because I haven't actually told anybody, but I do think they'd be totally understanding. It's just my own personal issue, and maybe having a YouTube channel is my way of just coming out of the hair closet. They're just gonna see it. And I don't want to mess with the curl pattern too much, and the other thing that you can do too is always just spritz it with water and then kind of scrunch it for that curl pattern to keep the curls. So here she is, Mariah, in all her glory. Thank you guys so much for staying with me on this unboxing and review, and I hope that you will subscribe, press the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment, and let me know if there's a certain style that you would like me to review. Again, right now I've been doing the Paula Young wigs because of affordability. There's some other gorgeous wigs out there, but I just can't pay $200, $300, $400 for a wig, and really even over $100 is, you know, I have a lot of other bills and a 6-year-old grandson that I take care of, and so yeah, I just can't see spending that. But $55, I mean, this is adorable. You know, back in the day, I'd go get a perm and I'd spend $200. I mean, granted, that was before kids and stuff like that, but yes. So again, thank you all so much, and I will put the link to the Mariah wig to take you right to the website if you guys want to purchase her. And again, my color was SF1228 Honey. So stay tuned. I will have more wig reviews. I have a new Heidi. I have not opened up the box, and she is a lace front, and I have never worn a lace front. So we will see how that goes, and I promise I won't even peek because it's more fun to have the anticipation and to open it up on camera with all of you so you can see my true and genuine expressions when I open her up. All right, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
So you know me, I had to have fun with this style and throw a little lip sync in there. Oh, and Mariah is a really fun style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted each time I upload a new video. Stay tuned, and thanks again.